हार्दिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्.
Thank you, God, for always being there. Now, she is a book of quotations. She is so simple. She leaves us with a dimple. She is making us real humans. She is a guideline, our lifeline. She is also a magician of teaching, a magician of moral values, magician of ethics. What else should I say about ma'am? She is an imprint of great intellectuals. Let's begin our felicitation ceremony 2021-22 event with the golden words by our principal ma'am.
Thank you so much, Poonam. Before I begin this speech, as you call it, it is more like as I'm talking to the parents online for the very first time. A very good morning in absentia to the director, Mr. Mukesh Garg, Mrs. Nishu Garg, who have been the torchbearers of this institute, to the chief coordinator, Ms. Atul Tejkaur, coordinator, Ms. Bhagyashri, coordinator, Ms. Priyanka Gambhir, coordinator, Ms. Poonam Kalra, and our experienced coordinator, Ms. Vandana Vinayak, and all my lovely teachers. A very warm welcome to all the parents who have joined us online, and all my lovely students who are the winners in each sense of the word. This felicitation ceremony is just a small step. I don't think it can even match with the hard work which your teachers, which your parents have put in. We are just making a small effort to applaud your efforts, to appreciate you, and to do everything so that you come up with many more such awards in the coming future. You've just begun. When I say felicitation, it comes with the responsibility. When you take over the chair of a principal or a coordinator or a parent or even a teacher, you come to a very, very responsible position. And your ideologies, your presence, your actions, your words, everything should be above the rest of the common man. And that is what we all are trying to do. We are going to go a step further. We are going to give a pat on your back for doing all the great efforts. Even the pandemic could not stop you, children, from performing and winning. And we will be continuing these efforts to honor you. If the school is not open, that doesn't mean we don't honor you. Your efforts were such that it required double the effort to come up and come out as a winner. Now, when I come to you, I would like to say something very, very, close to my heart to all my children out there, that when we perform, when we do something, we don't do it with a mind to win. We do it with a mind to participate. Participation is more important than winning. There were many other children who participated, but they did not win. That doesn't make them any less a winner than you all. So here I would also like to mention all the participants in innumerable, events, competitions they have participated. Probably they have not won, but I need to mention all of them because they made the effort. At least they were better than those who were just sitting and doing nothing. And I believe in that. You keep on making the effort, whether you win or whether you lose. That all depends upon how much effort you have put in. With these words and with a word of gratitude to all the 4 members of the team, led by Mr. Neeraj Nagar, IT head, the coordinator, Ms. Poonam Kalra, the activity coordinator, Kanika. She's really worked day in and day out. And above all, Anju Markin, who has really been working very hard to make this event a great success. I would like to appreciate all of them. They've done a remarkable job. And I would also like to mention over here that in case there are any flaws, please forgive us. This is our first time. And if you please bear with us for any kind of technical glitches or technical problems, these issues are very common now. But again, that doesn't stop us from doing what we believe in. Thank you so much, Poonam. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, dear parents, for joining us. And thank you, my lovely kids. We'll soon be meeting in school. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You are spontaneous and you are lovable, always. Winners are not born, but are made with hard work and consistency. With this, we'll commence our felicitation with the academic winners of 2021. Academic excellence is all about leadership, inspiration, dedication, and this is proved by our beloved students. An outstanding performance in grade 10 is awarded to Jalaj Goel. He stood first in our school and secured 97.4% marks. A big round of applause for Jalaj. Well done, Jalaj. The second position is a tie between Kritika Ahuja and Karan Verma with 96.6% marks. Congratulations to Jalaj, Kritika, Karan. I hope Jalaj is here in the meet. Jalaj, Kritika, can you please come forward and please speak something?
Thank you.
Thank you, Jalaj. Kritika?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Kritika. And Karan, are you there, Karan? Okay, Karan is not responding. Never mind. Congratulations to all our scholars. You have done it. Still a long way to go. And all the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Next, we proceed to the next category is the District Yoga Championship 2021. Dear all, yoga is the gateway of happiness that adds ear to your life and life to your ears. First of all, I thank Ms. Tina ma'am for specially mentoring our young minds into awardees. In this category, of 8 to 10 years boys category, Aditya Bansal bagged 3rd position. Under the age group of 10 to 12 years, 1st position in boys goes to Chirag Agarwal of class 6th.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done, Aditya. Well done, Chirag.
Thank you, ma'am.
2nd position goes to Anish Mana of class 4th.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anish.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the 3rd position in girls category goes to Vedika of class 8. Under the age group of 14 to 16 years girls category, Khushi of class 10 bagged the 2nd position. Congratulations on your awesome win. Next, we proceed to Wushu Championship 2021. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. Panchkula District Wushu Championship was organized by Panchkula Wushu Association. A special mention here is of Mr. Ramesh, our sports teacher, whose contribution in the sports is immense. In sub-junior category girls, Mehak Pawar grabbed second position. And Ranveer Khokar won the third position. Wow, students, you know, luck is a dividend of sweat. The more you sweat, the luckier you get. Congratulations to each one of you for this achievement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everybody will agree with this. A king may be the most important piece on chessboard. However, the queen is the most powerful. Open District Panchkula Chess Championship held at British School, Sector 8, Panchkula on Sunday, 29th August 2021. It was an offline competition. In this competition, I first of all congratulate Mr. Ramesh sir for his efforts. Next, I come to the awardees.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Aditya Bhargav of class 6. He got first position under 13 years category. Congratulations, Aditya.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Next is Jalaj Goyal, a pass out of class 10th this year only. He secured second position under 17 category. Congratulations, Jalaj.
Thank you.
Next is Srinika Singh of class 5. She secured third position under 10 category. Congratulations, Srinika. You're welcome, dear. Next award was won by Siddharth Bhargav. He secured fourth position under 10 category. And I also want to share with you that Aditya is shortlisted student. I think he is 15. He is the 15th shortlisted student at national level. Siddharth, a big round of applause for this achievement of yours. You really deserve it. Siddharth, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations to you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, we proceed towards IRMUN, that is International Republic Model United Nations. The Model United Nations offers students an excellent opportunity to expand, develop, and put into practice their lobbying, negotiation, and debate skills. The objective of the Model United Nations is to seek through discussion and debate solutions to various problems of the world. So this competition was held on 28th and 29th August. I proudly announce Gaurish Khodwani was honored as Verbal Mention Award. Gaurish, a big round of applause for you. Well done. Well done, Gaurish. The other participants in this category includes Skanda of class 9th, Apurva Sharma of class 9th, Niyati of class 9th, Diya Arora of class 10th, Tanvi Goel of class 10th, Harshita Garg of class 10th, Sharanya Rakhisha of class 10th, Mitanshu Dadish of class 10th, Sana of class 10th. Congratulations to all of you for your achievement. Yes, somebody else wants to speak something from the MUN participants? Gaurish, Skandha, Apurv, Niyati, Diya. Anybody? Okay.
It was a great experience.
Okay, next we proceed towards Wheels of Wisdom. This is an annual competition which is annually organized by Banyan Tree School. This competition this year was held on Friday, 22nd August. This was an online competition, and I'm proudly announced that our school bagged the Best Winning Team Award. And our team includes Goransh Singh Virk of Class 3. Goransh, are you there? Okay, Rudra Patania. Yes, Goransh, are you there?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations to Goransh for his achievement. Next is Rudra Patania, also includes the best team, and he is from class 4th.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Ruth.
Thank you, ma'am.
In this team, Anna Vadira of class 5. She's also contributed. Anna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Thank you for
welcome.
allowing me in this competition.
Thank you, Anna. Chirag Agarwal of 6th A, he was also a part of this team. Congratulations to Goransh, Rudra, Anna, Chirag for your achievement. Well done, all of you. Chirag Agarwal, a special mention here, Chirag Agarwal also got Best Performer Award in this competition. Congratulations, Chirag, once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next we proceed to declamation. Inter-school zonal declamation competition organized by ASISC, that is Association of Schools for the School Certificate. In this category, I proudly announce Shaurya Vij of class 9th. He stood second. He secured second position. A special thank you to Atul ma'am and Neha ma'am for contributing towards the success of Shaurya. Shaurya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Now he will present the speech of Tim Cook, and we will all witness that speech right here in front of us. Shaurya, I request you to please go ahead with the speech.
Good morning, and thank you for giving me the privilege to speak here today. Today, I want to share 3 lessons from my life. No big deal. First, always follow your intuitions. From a crazy guy at IBM to a mad guy at Apple, my journey has been full of twists and turns. And when Apple was at the verge of bankruptcy, my icon, Steve, came to me and said, "Our company is going to be bankrupt. We have a time of less than 3 months. Do you want to work?" I never hesitated. My intuition told me so. And I said, "Okay, I am ready to work." And then my friends, my family went peanuts. They said, "Why you want to work at Apple? This company is going to be bankrupt soon." But I always followed my intuition. And here I am, the CEO of the richest company in the world with over 1.5 trillion market cap. My second being, you can't claim credit without claiming the responsibility. Silicon Valley has been a revolution for the whole entire world. From the first Apple computer in 1976 to the iPhone that you are holding in your hands, the Silicon Valley has provided many innovations throughout. But now, this industry is known for a less noble innovation. You can claim credit without claiming the responsibility. No, it's wrong. You can differentiate between life and death. If you don't accept death, it will still arrive. You can't differentiate between truth and lie. If you don't accept, lie is still there. And so is this. You can't claim the credit of winning without claiming the responsibility of losing. My third and the most important lesson being, your mentors will leave you prepared but not ready. When Steve had pancreatic cancer, I had a thought beneath my heart. He will be fine and lead Apple as always. But things didn't go well. 2 days before he died, he called me at his house. I went there and he said, "I'm not going to survive long. It's you who have to handle the company." And I was shocked But I was assured that he would come back. But it didn't happen. And I had a big responsibility on my shoulders. And thanks to every single staff and employee who helped me during those times. And from there, I learned your mentors will leave you prepared but not ready. And in the end, I would like to say be different, leave something unique, and always be hungry for something. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Shaurya. And I know our kids are always hungry for success, for great achievement. Next, dear all, let's proceed towards Fancy Dress Competition 2021. This was an online competition organized by ISKCON Panchkula. It was held on 30th August 2021. The age category for this competition was 5 to 10 years. So small children. And in this category, Srisha Mitra was dressed up as Draupadi. And I think Srisha is there with us. Srisha, are you there? She has secured first position in this category.
Thank you, ma'am.
Srisha, can you share the dialogues of Draupadi?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Please proceed.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I want to express my thankfulness to our respected principal, ma'am, and all our beloved teachers for arranging this program for us. I'm very happy to know that you liked my endeavor. Now I'm going to present before you the speech of Draupadi that I delivered on that day. Regards and best wishes. I am Srisha Mitra of Class 2 from Slotin School, Panchkula. And today I'm dressed as the daughter of Earth, out of Yagya, princess of Panchala, queen of Indraprastha. Yes, I am Draupadi. And today I'm here to tell you about my friendship with Lord Krishna. Govind was my best friend, my Shakha. He also called me Shakhi. Throughout my life, whenever I had any problem, I approached Govind, and he was always there for me. He saved me and my family from the curse of sage Durvasa. He helped me to save the Pandavas from the anger of Bhishma. And on that day, when Dushasana came forward to disrobe me, and no one came forward to protect, I prayed to Krishna and said, "Hey Shakha, where are you? Please save my honor." He sent immeasurable reams of cloth to keep me covered. I want to conclude by saying that Lord Krishna just wants a wholehearted surrender from us. We have no support except Lord Krishna, who lives within our hearts as a friend. Om Namah Krishnaya Govindaya Namah 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 Namah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Srisha. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for this little girl. Well done, dear. Let's proceed to Rudra Pathania. Rudra Pathania dressed up as Angaraj Karn, and he secured second position in this category. Well done, Rudra. Rudra, can you share the dialogues of Karan with us?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Over to you, Rudra.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रुद्र पठानी है। आज मैं आप सबके सामने महाभारत के मुख्य गाथा को दिखाने जा रहा हूँ, जो सूर्य और कुंती के पुत्र थे। धनुर्धारी थे। सूर्य पुत्र अंगराज कर्ण, पांडवों को कौरवों की भीड़ से तिलक श्री उनके नामों लीन है। फिर भी मौजूद है ऐसा तुम भारत के सारे पात्र कुछ नीच की है सारी जोड़ था जिसकी सूची में अद्वितीय कौन था भारत और मदद का पूर्ण लड़ाई नाम के अंतक मिलता है बात ऊंचे लोगों में बैठे नीचे जा चुका सोने सा था तन मेरा अभेद मेरा अंग था तन का कुंडल चमका लाल नीले रंग का इतिहास साक्ष्य है युद्ध मेरी पूर्ण था बस एक मजबूरी थी मैं वचनों का शौकीन था कुरुक्षेत्र की इस मिट्टी में मेरा भी मुझे रहे देखो छान की इस मिट्टी को कण कण में वहां करण है कण कण में वहां करण है धन्यवाद थैंक यू टू ऑल टीचर्स
थैंक यू रुद्र। आपको देख के ना ऐसा लग रहा है वी शुड फील rich. Our heritage is full of rich culture, so we are proud of our rich heritage. Last but not the least, I request Anju Makin ma'am to please come forward and please share a few words with us. She is our external activity coordinator, Mrs. Anju Makin. Can you please come forward, ma'am? Over to you.
Thank you, Poonam ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. A very good morning to Sopin management, respected principal ma'am, my coordinators, parents, and my dear colleagues, my lovely students. On behalf of Sopi family, extend my most sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. A special thanks to our respected principal ma'am for being catalyst that stimulated us to do the best in activities and make our school proud and shine. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents for your rock and solid support and of course, encouragement. Without your support, children would not have been able to achieve excellence in this pandemic period. A big thank you to all their parents. I would also thanks to the supporting teachers who guided our champs to bring laurels to the school. I also want to thank the people who worked behind the scene to execute this event. Thanks to Neeraj sir, Kanika ma'am, and of course Poonam ma'am too. Next, our budding rock stars. Yes, budding rock stars who made this event happy with their performances. Last but not least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this felicitation ceremony memorable for all of us. On behalf of my school, let me thank all the Sopinites. We value you and every moment that you stay in this temple of learning. Children, this is for you. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. With this, we conclude our felicitation ceremony here and hope to meet you soon again on this platform. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Thank you, Poonam ma'am. Thank you, respected ma'am. Over to you, Poonam ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you all of you. Signing off for now. I hope many more events will continue. Not offline, we'll meet not online, we'll meet offline too. Signing off for now. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.